Hello everybody, this is Praveen sir and welcome back with a new model answer video of History Political Science. History Political Science paper was a 30-mark paper divided into various sections of questions. So let's discuss how exactly we can evaluate a paper in the best possible manner. Let me share my screen first and then we will start with the evaluation of History Political Science paper. The very first question in the paper was fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative for 2 marks. That means there were two questions. The very first question was the National Archives of India is in dash. The answer is Delhi. Students, whenever it is a fill in the blank question, see to that you write the complete statement followed by writing the blank and not just writing the blank, underlining the blank also. If you follow this complete step, only then you deserve to get a complete 1 mark. Which means if you just write the answer or if you just write the statement without underlining the blank, chances of marks being cut is very high. So the National Archives of India is in Delhi is the first answer. And second, the first English newspaper in India was started by James Augustus Hickey. 2 marks. Going ahead towards the next question, which was identify the wrong pair. There were 2 questions for 2 marks. Now students, 2 questions, 2 marks. That means each question is of 1 mark. Now for that each question of 1 mark, you will get half mark for identifying the wrong pair and half mark for writing the correct statement. So the very first questions pairs were Kutiyattam, Sanskrit theatre in Kerala, Raman, a dance form in West Bengal, Ram Leela, a traditional performance of Ramayana in Uttar Pradesh, Kalbelia, folk songs and dances of Rajasthan. The incorrect pair in the above 4 is Raman, dance form in West Bengal. And the correct statement is Raman is the religious festival and ritual theatre of Garhwal Himalayas. So for picking out the wrong pair, half mark, and for writing the correct statement, half mark. Going ahead, Prabhakar, Acharya P.K. Atre, Darpan, Balshastri Zambekar, Deen Bandhu, Krishna Rao Bhalekar, and Kesri, Bal Gangadhar Tirak. The incorrect pair over here is Prabhakar, Acharya P.K. Atre, and the correct statement is Prabhakar newspaper was started by Bhau Mahajan. So for identifying the wrong pair, half mark. Correct statement, half mark. That's the way you will give complete 1 mark for each question. Going ahead, question number 3. Complete the concept chart on the basis of information given in the lesson. World Natural Heritage Sites in India, National Parks. You have to name the 6 national parks. The first one was Kaziranga. Second one, Keoladev. Third, Sundarbans. Fourth, Nanda Devi. Fifth, Village of Flowers. Great Himalayan National Parks. Now students, over here in this question, how exactly will you give yourself mark? Students, if 1 or 2, listen carefully, if 1 or 2 boxes are correctly filled, you will get half mark for it. Okay? If 3 boxes are correctly filled, you will get 1 mark for it. If 4 to 5 boxes are correctly filled, you will get 1.5 mark for it. And if all the 6 boxes are correctly filled, only then you will get the complete 2 marks. This is the mark bifurcation, how exactly to give the 2 marks. Going ahead towards the next question, which was question number 4, answer the following in brief. Any 2. The first was explain the concept of public history. Now students, in the very first question, explaining the concept of public history, you had 6 points. So it's very simple. You will give half mark for each point. Which means for all the 6 points written properly, you will get 3 marks. It's very simple. Half mark for each point. If all the 6 points are well written, you will get 3 marks. So हमने 2-3 points merge करके एक point बनाया. Accordingly consider and give yourself mark. But all the 6 points have to be there in your answer. Am I clear? Okay. So after seeing the first question, it's time to go towards the next question, which was how is history helpful in planning the Akashvani programs? Now students, Here if you see, दिखने में 4 points है, but the 4th point, so history is essential in planning. This is just the question you wrote in the form of a point. So that is, we need to ignore. So what we'll do is, for the first 3 points, अगर first 3 points हमने बराबर से लिखा हुआ है, first 3 points बराबर से लिखा हुआ है, then what you can do is, you will give 1 mark for each point. So for 3 points, you will give 3 marks. Am I very clear with this? Okay. So after seeing how is history helpful in planning the Akashvani programs, it's time to go towards the third question. What is the role of UNESCO in the context of heritage sites? Name any 3 cultural heritage sites located in Maharashtra with their places. Students, UNESCO, a global agency, plays an important role to preserve our heritage for future generations. It has announced some directives with the objective of promoting the culture and natural heritage sites. Students, for writing this 2 points, you will get 1 mark. Okay, next, on the basis of the directives list of sites, traditions are declared as World Heritage Site. For writing this, you will get 1 mark. And students, the last 1 mark you will get for writing the 3 examples. Am I clear? So 1 mark for the blue box, 1 mark for the red underlined part, and 1 mark for the 3 examples. That's the way you will give 3 marks for the answer. So after having an understanding about this, it's time to go towards question number 5, which is answer in detail any 2 out of 3 for 8 marks. How is the method of history useful in the research of following field? The fields were science, arts, and management studies. Now students, what we will do is, since it's a 4 mark answer, what we will do is, for science, we will give 1 mark. For arts, we will give 1 mark. And for management studies, we will give 2 marks. So 1 for science, 1 for arts, and 2 for management studies. Let's see what all points are needed for science, what all points are needed for arts, and what all points are needed for management studies. Science. The history of science helps in understanding the chronological order of scientific discoveries, inventions, and theories. It can also help to understand the cause and effect chain that led to those discoveries and inventions. Inventions are often the effects of human efforts to fulfill a need and also curiosity. These efforts are based on already available scientific knowledge. Students, science ka any 2 points, will give you half mark for each point. Likewise, you will get 1 mark for science. I hope the 1 mark for science is very clear. After science, it's time to go towards the next field, that is arts. Every art form with their style of expression reveals their foundation in the form of intellectual, emotional, and cultural traditions. The key to the expression in any art form, emotional temperament of the artist, and a developmental history of art form can be understood with the help of cultural history. Now, since there are 2 points, you will write both the points compulsorily. So what you will do is half mark for each point of arts. Likewise, you will give 1 mark for the answer of arts. Am I clear? After seeing arts, it's time to go towards the management studies. In order to understand the various factors involved in the chain of production, such as means of production, human resources and processes of production, as well as the chain of market and sales management, etc., it is essential to have a knowledge of similar functional systems of the past. It is essential to understand the psychological character of people working at various levels in the chain of production and marketing for healthy management. In order to achieve it, Understanding of the social and economic institutions that support the industrial and commercial processes is important. Knowledge of history in this regard makes the management of various levels easier. Students, if you have observed properly, first and second points are almost the same. Okay, second point is just the extension of first point. So for writing the first and second point, you will get half. You will get half. For writing the third point, you will get half. For writing the fourth point, you will get half. And for writing the fifth point, you will get half. That's the way for management, you will get 2 marks. So 2 marks are for management, 1 mark is for arts, and 1 mark is for science. That's the way you will give 4 marks to yourself for this brief answer. After the first brief, let's go towards the next one. Explain the objectives of newspaper. Simple answer. There are 4 points, 1 mark for each point, 4 marks ke liye 4 point. Newspaper are an important medium of creating social awareness. Newspaper helps the readers become informed by providing them with facts, statistics, and opinion columns. Newspapers provide entertainment as well. They feature comics, puzzles, and humor stories designed to amuse the reader. They keep the reader update with local, national, and international stories along with reviews of history and the past events. 1 mark for each point. So for 4 points, you will get 4 marks. Students, let's go towards the third brief, which is how can we correlate applied history with our present. Here too, there are 4 points. 1 mark is for each point. So for 4 points, you will get 4 marks. The visible and invisible relics of the past exist in the present. We have some kind of curiosity, attraction towards them. We wish to know more about the history of our past because they represent the creative thoughts and traditions of our ancestors, which is our heritage. Since applied history is concerned with the preservation and conservation of our heritage, making it accessible to people, it is useful to understand our present with the help of history and finding right direction for the benefit of our future. 1 mark for each point, 4 marks ke liye 4 points. Am I clear? So with this, students, we complete the part of history. Now let's move towards the history as in the subjective part. Now let's move towards the passage given in history. Read the passage and answer the question. The passage was given to you. The first question, Akashvani, AIR, is an integral part of which ministry? Akashvani is an integral part of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, India. Students, if you observe properly, it was a 2 mark question and there were 4 questions. So basically it is half mark each. So for writing Information and Broadcasting, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, India, you will get half mark. What was the new name of IBC? The new name of IBC is AIR, All India Radio. For writing All India Radio, you will get half mark. In how many regional languages and local dialects are Vividh Bharati programs broadcasted? The Vividh Bharati programs are broadcasted in 24 regional languages as well as 146 dialects of Indian languages. So for writing 24 regional languages and 146 dialects, you will get half mark. How AIR, that is AIR, All India Radio, was named Akashvani? All India Radio was named Akashvani on the suggestion of the famous poet Pandit Narendra Sharma. On the advice of Pandit Narendra Sharma, you will get half mark. Am I clear? So how to give 2 marks for the passage is very much clear. After seeing the passage, it's time to go towards the political science section. The first question, that is question number 7, was fill in the blank choosing the correct alternative for 2 marks. Justice Party, a non-Brahmin movement, was transformed into dash political party. The answer is Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam. The first organization for resolving the issues of worker was established in the year 1920. So 2 marks are for the fill in the blanks. Explain the concept of national parties for 2 marks. There are 4 points, students, basically 5 points. Any 4 points you will write, you will get 2 marks. National parties are political parties which exist in democratic systems. They are a kind of social organization with the objective of achieving political power. National parties are recognized by the Election Commission under prescribed conditions. A political party should secure minimum 6% of valid votes in 4 or more states in earlier Lok Sabha election or state assembly elections, and minimum 4 members should be elected in the Lok Sabha from any state or states in the earlier elections. or the candidates of a party should be elected from minimum 2% constituencies out of total Lok Sabha constituencies and from minimum 3 states. There are many national parties in India with their different ideologies and objectives. These parties organize various programs to achieve those objectives. Indian National Congress is the oldest national party established in the year 1885. Other national parties are Communist Party, CPI of India, BJP, BSP, and CPIM. Am I clear? So for writing any 4 points, half mark for each point, you will get 2 marks. Going ahead, answer in brief. Which conditions must be fulfilled by a party for recognition at national level? 2 marks. To get recognition at as a national party, the Election Commission has prescribed the following condition. The political party should secure minimum 6% of the valid votes in 4 or more states in the earlier Lok Sabha or state assembly elections, and minimum 4 members should be elected in the Lok Sabha from any state or states in the earlier elections. Or the candidates of a party should be elected from minimum 2% constituencies out of the total Lok Sabha constituencies and from minimum 3 states. 2 marks. Write a note on tribal movement. In the pre-independence period, the British government deprived the tribal people of their rights to livelihood on forest resources. There was a tribal uprising in the Kollam from Chota Nagpur, Gond from Orissa, Koli, Bhilla and Ramoshi from Maharashtra, Santhal and Munda from Bihar. Tribals in India face several problems. One major problem is they are denied rights over their forest. उनका जगह forest का है, and वहीं पर से उनका rights निकाल दिया है. The main demand of the tribal movement is to accept their right over forest. They should be allowed to collect products of the forest and also should have a right to cultivate on the forest land. Am I clear? So students, it's quite simple. There are 5 points, and since it's a 2 mark answer, any 4 points, half mark for each point, 2 marks. There was no option in the answer. So in this way, you had 8 marks ka political science, 2 mark ka fill in the blank, 2 mark ka explain the concept, and 4 mark ka brief, 8 marks, and 22 mark ka history. This is how 30 mark ka paper was divided. I hope you will evaluate the paper accordingly and let your academic heads know your marks of history, political science. Kindly see to that you are not diverting yourself from the evaluation. The points suggested in the video will be followed thoroughly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.